Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to PayPal someone money. First, open your PayPal application or visit the website and securely log into your account. Always use your registered email and password to access your dashboard. Make sure your account is verified and has at least one payment method linked, like a bank account or debit card. This ensures you are ready to send funds smoothly and without delay. Once logged in, look for the Send or Send and Request button, which is typically prominent on your home screen or dashboard. Click or tap this option to begin the process. You will then need to enter the recipient's email address, their mobile phone number, or their unique PayPal username. Always double-check this information carefully to ensure the funds go to the correct individual. Now, input the precise amount of money you want to send. For example, you might send $25.50. Choose your desired funding source, like your linked bank account, a debit card, or your existing PayPal balance. You can also add a brief note, perhaps mentioning birthday gift or shared expenses, to clarify the payment's purpose. Review these details carefully to ensure accuracy. On the final review screen, take one last look at the recipient's name, the amount, and the funding source. Once you are absolutely certain everything is correct, click or tap the Send Money Now button to complete your transaction. You will instantly receive a confirmation that your payment was successful, and an email notification will be sent to your recipient, letting them know the funds are on their way. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.